Hey everyone. Today I'm diving into one of the most ambitious ideas in modern policy, universal basic income or UBI on a global scale. Imagine a world where every single person receives a regular, unconditional amount of money to cover their basic needs. Sounds incredible, right? Let's break down how we could actually make this a reality, step by step. First, we need to start at the national level. Countries need to successfully run UBI systems at home before we can think about going global. We've already seen promising pilot programs in places like Finland, Canada, and Kenya. Rich countries like Norway, Canada, and Japan could pave the way by establishing permanent national UBI systems. The proof of concept is crucial. Once people see tangible benefits like reduced poverty, improved health, and better education, support will grow both politically and financially. Next, we need a global UBI fund. This would help extend UBI to poorer nations. How do we fund it? Options include a global AI and robot tax, taxing multinational tech companies profiting from automation, or a carbon tax on polluting industries. We could also consider a wealth tax on the ultra-wealthy or a small financial transaction tax on global stock trades and crypto markets. These funds would be managed by a transparent international body, possibly under the UN or a new global UBI authority. Now let's talk about setting a global minimum basic income. The amount doesn't have to be the same everywhere. We can use purchasing power parity or PPP. So $50 a month in a poor country can have the same impact as $500 a month in a rich one. This approach ensures fairness without collapsing local economies. To make this happen, international agreements are key. Imagine a global UBI charter, similar to the Paris Climate Agreement. Countries could commit to goals like starting national UBI by 2035, sharing a small percentage of GDP for the global fund, and removing harmful subsidies like those for fossil fuels to redirect money. Public awareness and political will are crucial. UBI won't happen unless people want it and vote for it. We need global campaigns, education, and voices from celebrities and activists to raise awareness. UBI is not charity, it's freedom from fear. It ties into climate change adaptation, job automation, and basic human dignity. Finally, we need robust digital infrastructure for distribution. Systems like India's Aadhaar or mobile wallets can be used. Blockchain technology can ensure transparency and prevent corruption. The goal is to make sure every person on Earth can receive and spend UBI safely. You might be wondering, where will the money come from? AI and robot taxes, carbon taxes, wealth taxes, financial transaction taxes, cutting military spending, and ending corporate tax avoidance can all contribute. And no, people won't become lazy. Studies show people still work but do better jobs, take care of families, start businesses, or go back to school. UBI is a foundation for living with dignity. What can you do to support global UBI? Join movements like the Basic Income Earth Network, advocate for local UBI pilots, educate others, support UBI-friendly politicians, and learn about the economics of inequality and automation. Thanks for watching, and let's work together to make universal basic income a reality for everyone, everywhere.